Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. Yesterday I did a walk around this 2005 Sequoia and we were looking at the rust damage to the brakes. I already removed the other side and everything's fine here, right? The pistons in the caliper nicely, easily were moving. I was able, without any extra effort, push them back in the caliper. We also saw the rotor, right? There was a surface rust damage, but the minimal thickness was perfect. It's very beefy, in other words, and everything's looking good here. You also clearly remember that one of the calipers was extremely rusty, and then this is the one, right? It's on this side. You see there are huge chunks of rust on this side, right? Well, that was already warning for the future work. Now I'm removing the brake pads. I was able to pull them off, but 1, 2 and 3 pistons are completely stuck and they are not moving. The one on the top I was able to push in with a very big resistance from the piston. So basically, unfortunately, this is the nightmare, right? But I got a warning, right? Looking on that huge rust here peeling off. That was already warning that there might be more work, and this caliper needs to be removed and hopefully rebuilt. And this video almost could be continuity, the one which I filmed for you yesterday, right? We are finding more and more problems caused by the rust. That these sliding pins are rusty, well, that's nothing. That can be cleaned out, polished out, that the brake pads will be nicely sliding on top of those, right? I touched that for just, 15 seconds, and look, this is really easy to fix. Seized up caliper, it's completely different level of the problem which I just discovered. Now I got somehow lucky that the brake line wasn't rusted in that caliper, so you can see it here, removed and capped, right? Here is that rotor, which is not bad, that might be savable. And here you will finally see that caliper on the bench, right? So here where the brake line was entering, and these are the pistons, which, as I said, let me change the direction. They are stuck. 3 of the 4, they are completely stuck inside. They are not moving. And I still have to first try to undo this line, which is for bleeding, right? Because you cannot just put the caliper back if that bleeder screw will be stuck there or it will break off. So there's many problems in this moment. I checked the prices. O'Reilly will sell a remanufactured the entire caliper. They have it, shockingly, for $80, and you have to give them yours as a core. I checked also with my Toyota dealer, and with a big smile they said $370. Now, just to show you a little bit more, I removed those dust boosts, right? They are just nicely easy removable. Look at this hardcore rust, right? You see, that's how it's supposed to look like, right? Shiny, smooth surface. Look, this is crazy, right? If you compare it, unbelievable. So here you got it, my friend. These are the problems you might be looking at when you are buying car, truck, SUV which was sitting for too long. These are the things which can happen, and you might be dealing with it and throwing bunch of money on repairing that. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you are subscribed because I have more coming your way soon. See you later, my friend.